Konnichiwa, people out there. I'm just gonna through the intro right now. Wait, hey, whoa. So, well, today I'm gonna show this beautiful thing. I'm just gonna throw my whole world for you people. This is my kitchen. I have this and lots of other things. And I did videos on the floor. It's because I'm gonna throw them out. But yeah, this is my living room, and I sleep here too. I have my toilet, and this is my toilet. Yay, yay! And over there we have my gamer thing with my PC, my TV, my PS2, and my Wii, and my Death Note poster, and my Naruto poster, and my other Naruto poster, and a poster I have seen the anime on, but I can remember its name, but it's really good. It's about dolls. Actually, I learned how to make sushi today. Yay me. I learned how to make sushi.